This is Suite Villa 511 at Waldorf, Astoria in the Maldives. Having seen it long before it opened, when it was still several islands, it's lovely to see it all finished. I've started outside and now I'm going to climb inside and show you round inside. It's one of these cathedral rooms divided into three. Here is the sitting area, and then we move along, and here's the bed area. Big television. The cathedral ceiling soars up, coming on through, and we've got dressing, safe, ironing board. I love the way that they've made the life jackets into an artistic feature. Lovely bright color. My suitcase was already here, by the way, by the time we arrived. That was very impressive. I have an indoor shower, an enormous overhead, Aesop's toiletries, outdoor shower, big circular bathtub. We'll get to that in a minute. Double vanities. And I've got 3 different bath bombs. A sea salt and lavender, coconut and vanilla, and a rose. I've got to have a bath, obviously. Looking out at that amazing view. And then here I am, back in the bedroom. Welcome back.